Shivkumar's residence. This is the palatial residence where DK Shivkumar stays, and this is the venue that will be host for the breakfast meeting. The Chief Minister in attendance. The bigger question is going to be, can the issue of the power tussle really be resolved or not? First, it was the meeting at Siddaramaia's residence, and now it is at the residence of DK Shivkumar. The bigger question still looms on whether there will be a solution or not. Remember, the High Command has nudged these breakfast meetings, but the High Command has not intervened for now. Both DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah have stuck to their guns on the power sharing formula. Siddaramaiah maintaining that there has been no such discussion, and he will step down only if the High Command gives him that nudge to step down as the Chief Minister. DK Shivkumar as well hinting time and again that there has been a power sharing formula that has been decided with the High Command, and that needs to be honoured. So this is the power tiff that is taking place. What will be solved in this breakfast meeting? What comes out of it? Whether there will be a meeting with the High Command after that. The two leaders also expected to go to Delhi, though they continue to maintain that this is about other issues. Their visit to Delhi comes at a time when they are discussing the development of Karnataka. So what's going to happen today? We break it down for you. First up, let's get to the reactions of both the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister.
CM loves nati koli.
Okay.
Nati chicken. Village chicken.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Let me see.
Sir, of
I don't
course.
know what my wife will do.
What's on the political menu tomorrow, sir? The discussions that are likely to be held?
All discussion we have finished.
Sir, when are you likely to go to Delhi, sir? Is that on the cards after tomorrow's meeting, or?
It is on the cards. Let me see.
What is the breakfast meeting tomorrow going to be about? What are going to be the discussions, sir?
How can I tell in the media? Huh? It is like a family meeting.
Sir, do you feel that there should not have been a written agreement on the CM chair? Do you think there should be a written agreement? Sir, any word with the High Command, sir? Sir, do you want to speak on tomorrow's breakfast meeting? What do you expect? Sir, tomorrow's breakfast meeting?
I'm expecting,
Yes, sir. Sir, how?
because he invited me
Yes,
for
sir.
the breakfast tomorrow. I'm going there.
Congress United, sir?
100% united.
So both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister maintaining that all is well. DK Shivkumar going on to say that he's a family member. I'm just inviting a family member over for breakfast. It has nothing to do with the power tussle. Siddaramaiah as well going on to say he has invited me. I'm going to meet him. And again, we could see pictures of unity being released by the Congress party. But the bigger question being, even if there is no solution today, like in the case of the Saturday meeting as well, if there is no solution today, what happens next? Because both the leaders definitely are not going to stop at just breakfast for each other. There's going to be more. And when will that happen? When will this lull or the peace treaty that they seem to have achieved continue? That's a bigger question. We also spoke to DK Shivkumar's brother, DK Suresh, and here's what he had to say.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಡಿ ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಸಿಎಂ ಆಗುವ ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
ಕಾದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಸುಸೂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾಳೆನೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಕ್ತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ.
All right, my colleague Neha Hebale joins us again from right outside DK Shivkumar's residence, tracking all the developments. She also spoke to DK Shivkumar on what he plans to host the Chief Minister with, and very interestingly, the Deputy Chief Minister also spoke about what is the favourite of the Chief Minister. But Neha, clearly it's not just going to be about the breakfast. What can be expected from the meeting today?
Well, Pratibha, this is going to be an extremely crucial meeting now before both the senior leaders are set to be heading down to Delhi. Remember, that's something that neither of them has denied. If we are called, we will go, is the tone that they've all maintained. Well, right here, outside the residence of DK Shivkumar, the palatial bungalow in Sadashiv Nagar here, it seems like all arrangements, of course, are underway right now, Pratibha, right from whether it's the police deployment or otherwise, one thing, of course, that we asked Mr. DK Shivkumar here was about his brother DK Suresh's visit to Delhi. And while the senior leader, of course, has denied that it was political, or had anything to do with the current state of political affairs in this, in the state. The fact is that, DK Suresh, of course, when he was questioned about his brother becoming the chief minister, he says that, in due course of time or an appropriate time, the High Command would take a call, not entirely ruling that out. On the cards today, of course, in terms of discussion, what we're picking up from our sources is that both the senior leaders are going to be talking about how to arrive at, some sort of an agreement. While the last time we saw Bonhomie outside the chief minister's residence, it was all smiles. How is that going to pan out today is something that, of course, remains to be seen, with time running thin as well, given that the winter assembly session in Karnataka would be starting. The chief minister has put forth a demand, reportedly from our sources, to the High Command, that he wants to complete his tenure as the longest serving chief minister in the state, and then, if at all, of course, hand over.
Okay, all right. In fact, both the leaders in the previous meeting had also come out to say that all is well, but the subtext was really hard to miss because the power tussle is still continuing. And it's not a courtesy call. This is a call that has been nudged by the High Command. This is where all the action is going to begin shortly. In just moments from now. Now, remember, in the previous meeting as well, DK Shivkumar had reached about 10 a.m. When is the Chief Minister going to arrive? This is DK Shivkumar's residence, and here is where all the activity is picking up. A huge security deployment here at the spot as well. You can see police personnel who have been deployed from the end of Sadashiv Nagar up until here, because the Chief Minister is expected to arrive shortly for this breakfast meeting. The ongoing standoff has been going on for a long time now, and at the center of it is the informal power sharing that DK Shivkumar has been speaking of time and again. So let's go across to my colleague Akanksha as well, who is getting us the details on what can be expected. Akanksha, over to you.
All right, so all eyes will be on that crucial breakfast meeting in Karnataka. We know what will be there for the breakfast, but it all remains to be seen what will be there on the political menu. Remember, there was a similar breakfast meeting on Saturday, and then both of the leaders, they came out, they held a press conference, and there was a show of unity. So this time as well, it remains to be seen what will be the outcome and how soon will they be called to the national capital as well. Because as you also pointed out, Pratibha, time and again they have said that they will be going to the national capital whenever they will be called. But today, after the meeting, it remains to be seen when they will be called to Delhi.
Okay, all right. In fact, we are told that the High Command has also very clearly told both Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister that our image is at stake. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge, remember, had also visited Bengaluru multiple times, and now the High Command believes that it is upon the High Command to bring about a solution, but it would be easier if the two leaders sort out these differences on their own. So this is what the leaders have been saying. Time and again, they have said that they're going to sort out the differences, that we are ultimately united. All right, we continue tracking the developments here. Remember, it is at about 9:30 when the meeting is going to take place. But for the moment, let's shift our attention today. It's also going to be the second day of the Parliament session.